Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are typing GM on the terminal and if you're getting this error message, GraphicsMagick is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you can't access GraphicsMagick library from your terminal, then there are two reasons. If you haven't installed GraphicsMagick, so just type here GraphicsMagick download. So this is an open source image processing library. Just go to the website, download this. I've already downloaded this software on my machine, but still if you are getting this error message, then you just need to add the location to your environment variable. So just go to C drive and just go to the program files. By default it will create a folder in this. So program files x86, this is the folder, and just search here GraphicsMagick. So until you find this folder, just enter into this location and just right click, copy this entire location and just open your environment variable and just go to the system variable, system path variable right here. Click on new and paste this location. So after pasting the location, just restart the terminal and just typing GM once again. Now you will see the command will perfectly work here. In the terminal you can convert images from one format, compare it, convert, identify. So everything you can do this from the terminal. So in this easy way you can fix the problem. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.